This is the elevator at the downtown Presidio building. It's a KONE hydraulic elevator.
Mod.
Yep.
KONE mod.
Yep, KONE mod. I'm not sure what it was originally, but this was.
Do that. It's got a new cap too.
No voice. It's a hydraulic. Lantern. Let me see if it works.
Yep.
It works.
Cool. 3 is locked. Wait.
Nope. The cat card won't work on it. And then door close works. It's KONE Hydro, modernized by KONE. I'm not sure what it was originally. That's where the original indicator was, there.
Yeah. You can't really see into the cap because it's got all over place and whatnot.
Nothing really special about this one, but
it's cool. Oh, it's got I believe
the scuff on 2.
I don't know if it's 500 or 570 fixtures.
Yeah, these are the white kind.
Yeah. I
Very
think these are 500 buttons.
Yeah, I think these are 500 too.
Oh, it has a 400 phone button.
Yep, emergency phone,
Yep.
ADA compliant, OLED indicator, capacity 2,000 pounds.
And here we go.
Here's the speaker for where the voice would be. It's either non-existent or turned off, but here goes this elevator. And there it goes. And that's it.